Hello, guys. Welcome back to Fix Your Apps, where we make tech simple for everyone. Today, we're diving into how to enable the show traffic mode in the Waze app, step by step. If you find our tips helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more straightforward tech guides. Let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your Android phone and open the Waze app. Make sure you are logged into the correct account so you have access to all your settings and preferences. Step 2. Once you're in the app, look for the 3 horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen. This is the menu icon. Tap on it to open the menu. Step 3. In the menu, until you find the settings option. When you see it, go ahead and tap on it to open the settings menu. Step 4. In the settings menu, you'll see several options. Tap on the map display option. Step 5. In the map display settings, locate the disable show traffic option. Step 6. Finally, tap to turn on the show traffic option on the screen. You should now see traffic information displayed on your map. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the show traffic mode in the Waze app. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.